vegan tom yum soup base. Really simple to make, like most of the recipes on here. I've used more chili and more ginger than standard. I like those ingredients. To make it a wee bit more authentic, you would use kaffir lime leaves and use lime instead of lemon. Also, you would use galangal, the pink ginger, rather than ginger. As you'll note, I'm just roughly cutting everything up, stalk and all for the chilies. For the lemongrass, it's approximately 5 teaspoons, heaped teaspoons of lemongrass. So if you're buying the tubes from the supermarket, that's how much you'd use. Okay. Coriander, you use the root and the stem. The further down the plant it is, the stronger the flavour with coriander. So cut all your veg up and then we dry saute it off. I'm using powdered turmeric. If I was using fresh turmeric, you'd chop it up with the rest of the vegetables here. I don't dry saute off the turmeric as I'm concerned that it might burn or stick to the pot, tainting the flavour and giving it an ugly colour. The turmeric's mainly in there for colour, though also for a little bit of flavour. Cutting the vegetables up coarsely helps to make them not burn as rapidly. Dry saute everything off. Add the vegetable stock and the coconut milk. Also add the tamari, the turmeric and the lemon. Bring it to a rolling boil. Reduce it down by about 20% and then it's ready to go. Incredibly simple.